Hello everybody and welcome. Today I'm gonna build awk using my HP Jornada 720 running NetBSD. The first step for us is gonna be to log in. So like any Unix Linux system, you enter the username and the password and you're greeted with the message of the day here with the custom kernel I built for this and yeah, a prompt. So we clear it now and let's first go to my source folder. There's nothing there yet. And let's browse the web for the source code of awk. Links works fine in the Jornada using NetBSD. The only problem, and I'm not sure it's visible in the video, is that every time you enter a character, the system redraws the whole screen. See, now that's writing text on the bottom, it goes fine, it goes fast, but if you're using the arrow keys to browse around, it will redraw the whole screen every time. So now I'm going to move the cursor to the search field of DuckDuckGo, and I'm going to very quickly type the whole search string, which is for the Git repository for awk. And you see that I'm not typing anymore at some point, and the screen is very painfully refreshing the whole time, character by character. So the page has loaded, and I see here that yes, the address I had in mind is correct. It's run through awk/awk. So I'm gonna just quit links and clone the repository. Simple git clone and then the address of git with the path for the repository and the code. Now we can change into the awk code directory and try to make it. Let's see what happens. It's complaining that Bison is not installed and I don't really have the repositories configured. So let's go to VI and inspect the make file to see if we can get it going. With slash, you can do a quick search for Bison, and you can see that they very friendly keep a note that they replaced Yawk with Bison. And let's just try to see if it's gonna run. I will just comment out Yak and comment Bison to try to run make with Yak, and let's see if it's gonna work. Let's save and quit and try to make again. Okay, it's going. I'm gonna now cancel this and move the Jornada back to the charging cradle because I'm running out of the battery. Surprisingly, it still works and holds the battery quite well after 20 years. I don't need internet anymore, so I will just put the Jornada there and also set time to run so we can see how long it's gonna take. So I'm gonna type here time make, and yeah, the video is gonna roll for a bit. I'm gonna turn the camera off. Now and then I'm gonna put here the status updates by pressing Ctrl T. Actually wonder how to do the Ctrl T thing in Linux is very helpful. Let's see what's gonna happen if it's gonna be successful. So if I got this right, it took around 35 minutes to build awk on the setup, and it's time to see if it's working. There are a few warnings here and there for the build, but it completed, right? First we list the folder with ls, and there's a.out file. Let's run it. And yes, not gonna test the functionality of awk here, but the code works, and I look forward to using this to develop some of my projects on the go, because I really not always want to take my laptop out and typing on the Librem file is painful. Well, we'll see. Thanks for watching.